Doctor has confirmed that BJ and head causes throat cancer. I know this one I'm saying now. So people will say, don't go there. Because it's like removing food from their mouth. Some of us cannot do without BJ and head. Some of us cannot live if they don't give you head or you don't do BJ. You don't know how to do anything. In fact, that is even a criteria now for some ladies. If you even meet a lady now, she will first of all, she don't even want to know that you don't have sex. So all she will ask you first is, do you give head? Like, I don't understand. Why is it that that thing is what makes people go crazy? I don't know. But now, you are saying, I don't know, if you don't know how to give me BJ, if you don't know give head, I don't want to do anything with you. Here's a doctor now. The doctor have confirmed that it causes throat cancer. Read it by yourself. You see it? It's not me. You know, if I see something that will affect your health, I must tell you. I'm telling you now. See, it is a doctor that is saying, it's not me. Before you go and say, Malan Shaibu say head is bad, BJ is bad. No, it's not me. It's a doctor. He has confirmed, a scientist confirmed that there is a virus. So if you like, go and be sleeping inside here. You just near a woman. The next thing she'll be pushing your head down. You don't know whether it's even okay to go down there. Yeah. Abba. See, now the doctor has confirmed. Read it. Some of us don't like to read. When they see the news, they'll just swipe. They don't want to read because you know it has affected. It's affecting what they want to eat. Their food. I don't know. It's not me. Listen. Some of us don't want to hear. It causes cancer, throat cancer. You have to take care of your health. Very important. That's why sometimes some people will just wake up in the morning. You see them in the night, You don't know where they went. You see them in the night before they go to sleep. You don't know where they go and put their mouth in the night. In the morning, they have cup. From nowhere. That's how one of my friends, me and him were together at night. I said, okay, now my man, later, I don't go house. He said, he don't go. But he left. In the morning, I saw him. He's coughing. I said, how managed you have cough? He said, something happened. Where you don't know where you went to put your mouth. Well, maybe now he has the throat cancer. I don't know. So, please, if you are watching this video and your fantasy is BJ and head, read now. You better change. You better stop. I don't know why. Something you should choke that thing, you'll be choking your mouth. I don't understand though. My own, I'm telling you now. I am advising as somebody that have read what the scientists have said. I agree with the scientists. Because women are taking it too far. Small thing they say, do you give head? If you don't give head, I don't know why. So if you are watching this video and you know what you like is to give head and do BJ, hear it now. It is risky to your health. And if you are watching this video, share this video, share. Because information is information. You can save a life through information. So share this video so this video can go far and let others know. Even if they want to keep a blind eye, share the video, they will see it so that they watch it and they know that it affects their health. Like I always say, my name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the spice creator. I know I don't have sense because some people that are watching this video now will say, when you share the video now go to somebody watches, you will say, die, this one don't have sense. What is this saying? I know I don't have sense, but I'm telling you now, stop BJ and head. It is risky to your health. Share this video, share this video, share the video. Share this video so they can learn. Thank you.